Hi folks, first of all, thanks for the nice feedback. Finally, I tinkered one of these things I've wanted to do for a long time, and one of these is a primary weapon. By the way, I planned 2x2. I mark the positions here, 2 in the back and in the front. Maybe in this hole, but that means I must kick apartments on both sides for that. The primary weapon is the one to defend and attack the rogue ones, the only one. I mean, to protect the skin is the task of the hull defense bots, this ones. Actually, it's the last chance to integrate the system before we haven't enough space for that. Let's start the small animation. Super simple. Surely the weapon gets later an update, but at now it works well and we have the approximate size that we can tinker later around. Of course, a connection from the weapon to the ammunition is too dangerous for a spaceship. For this reason, I made a clip and multiple gates to protect the inner space. You can see over 3 levels. I tried to make it small. The weapon gets a click here, drops the rockets out, and stores the empty clip on this position. That is later the spaceship skin. I think on this manner is the ammunition far enough from the outside. The spaceship can fire that many, but you folks know, safety first. Drop a like or a comment if you want to help me out, and see you next time. And make sure you have a great day.